is a historic moment with the groundbreaking. We are laying the groundwork for a future where central New York will be the heartbeat of AI economy.
The largest single investment in the history of the great state of New York.
This semiconductor plant will be the United States' largest.
And I am here on behalf of 20 million very excited New Yorkers to welcome Micron to their new home.
Today is just a day of incredible history.
Micron is the anchor to what is a critical central New York semiconductor cluster.